Are you married yet?
No, I'm not married. Yes, I am married.
Where were you born?
I was born in Texas. I was born in Paris.
Can you drive a car?
No, I can't drive. Yes, I can drive. Yes, I'm a skilled driver.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is green. My favorite color is blue. I don't have a favorite color.
Do you like pets?
No, I'm not fond of pets. Yes, I love dogs. Yes, I love pets, especially dogs.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old. I'm 30 years old. I prefer not to disclose my age.
Have you traveled abroad?
No, I've never traveled abroad. Yes, I've traveled to many countries. Yes, I've been to Italy and Thailand.
What's your favorite hobby?
I don't have any hobbies. My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to exercise 3 times a week. No, I don't exercise regularly.